Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers, how are you doing? Osaze Odemwingie tenders apology to Nwankwo Kanu and his family. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and let's go there. Peter Odemwingie Osaze has explained that he was misunderstood with issues he had with Kanu. The former Stoke City star has also issued an apology to the Arsenal legend and his family. Osaze, who played 63 games for the Super Eagles, scoring 10 goals for the three-time African champions, has tendered an apology to Nwankwo Kanu and his family over his outburst on social media, which has to do with the wife of the Arsenal legend. Osaze Odemwingie stated emphatically that he was being disturbed by Kanu Nwankwo's wife, Amara, who he claimed was asking him for a private chat. When the outburst first came out by Odemwingie, Nigerians and football lovers thought the account of the former Super Eagles player was hacked. It appears Osaze is mending ways, or he chose to be in the news, since no one has heard from him for some time now. Some weeks ago, it was between him and Peter Okoye of the P-Square fame. Today, it is between him and the Kanu family. However, we are thankful all of this ended with a reconciliation. But we would like you to add your own opinion to why you think Osaze chose to be in the news lately. Imo State. Latest. Uzodinma, it is a goal. 1-0 against Rochas. But I don't think Demolition, such big hospital as Sumto, makes any sense at all. Such should have been seized and kept as state's property. I don't know if it was a personal grudge you were having with Okorocha. Such huge facility serves big purposes. I also hope there are no patients while this happened. Please, you need to apply common sense. Now, this is where this is heading to. Okorocha dares Uzodinma orders reopening of Eastern Palm University. The senator representing Imo State in National Assembly, Chief Rochas Okorocha, who claims ownership of Eastern Palm University, ordered the management of the university to reopen on Monday, that was December 7, for matriculation of new students. Okorocha, in a manner that smacks of total negligence to the constituted authority, threatened to sack anyone who fails to carry out his instruction. Hey, Okorocha, softly, cause you can't continue to claim it is yours if it was built with state's money. Yes, the university is said to have been built with public funds when ex-Governor Rochas Okorocha was in office. Though Okorocha claims that the school was built on the basis of public-private partnership (PPP), but available facts are in contrary. The ex-governor is yet to make public the so-called investors and how they earned the equity share of 90%, while Imo State got a paltry 10% as claimed by him. Recall that the Imo State government, through its Ministry of Education, had on December 4, 2020, shut down Eastern Palm University. As revealed by a source who pleaded anonymity, the directive was equal to the decision of the government to put the school into good use. It was learned that the development did not go down well with Rochas Okorocha, who stormed his village in Oboko, Idato South, and convened an emergency meeting of management staff of the institution, where he ordered them to reopen on Monday. He assured that President Muhammadu Buhari has called Uzodinma to order. He directed the new students to be communicated accordingly. The senator boasted to the Vice Chancellor, Prof. Tola Badejo, and other top management staff that he was battle ready for Senator Hope Uzodinma, who is the current governor. The source also revealed that there is pressure on the management, who allegedly took advantage of the ASU strike to milk the unsuspecting students who paid fees ranging from 500,000 naira to 1 million. But earlier somebody said it's a free university. How comes we're hearing about extortion from the range of 500,000 naira to 1 million? Meanwhile, parents of students are agitated. They want a refund following the damning revelation that the school is solely owned by the Imo State government. Eastern Palm University has commenced as permanent site of Imo State University, but was later renamed to Imo European University with Professor Chima Iwuchukwu as pioneer Vice Chancellor. At this time, virtually all the buildings and blocks have been erected before Okorocha began to nurse the idea of further changing it to Eastern Palm University. At the time of filing this report, it was not clear if the Vice Chancellor had carried out Okorocha's directive. However, a reporter who visited the school in the afternoon of December 4, 2020, observed that it was under lock and key, indicating that no one had gained entrance into the school premises. So please, what do you think, viewers? Okorocha claims the school is his, and against the state's order that the school should be undershot, he asked the workers in the school to resume with immediate effect, saying, boasting his connection with Buhari. And we had the earlier arrangement that Imo State takes 10% and he makes use of 90%. That is his force. Please, viewers, add your comments on this. We'd like to know. Also tell us what you think about the other facility, the hospital, Somto Hospital, which Imo government demolished. Should they have demolished the hospital? Shouldn't the government have kept it for themselves? Please add your comment on the comment section of this channel. Also, click on the bell icon to get an update each time it drops. Subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.